If your YouTube account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Review the violation. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, links to your content, or explanations of why you believe the restriction is unwarranted. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the Help Center. Look for the section on account restrictions and find the appeal form provided by YouTube. Step 4. Fill out the appeal form. Complete the appeal form with accurate information. Thoroughly explain your situation, referencing the violation and providing the evidence you gathered to support your appeal. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. YouTube will review your case and respond via email. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on YouTube. Good luck!